We have a new mission for you, gentlemen. A top-secret weapon is about to fall into the hands of terrorists in the United States. Head there at once to investigate.
Hey, you think they blocked off the entire airport for us?
Thanks for rolling out the red carpet, guys.
Let's do this.
Action! Giorgio, Evan, can you hear me? There's been an information leak regarding your involvement. They're the terrorists involved in this incident. Return fire! Machine gun. Shotgun. Concentrate fire. Captain Rush from the U.S. military is heading in your direction as we speak. Handgun, machine gun. Shotgun. Handgun. Reload. Release the reload button and pull the trigger to switch weapons. Action! Machine gun. Shotgun. Grenade. Action! Handgun. Continue? What's going on? You can do better than this.
Request permission to use the weapon, sir.
Permission granted. What's going on? I'm losing it.
Action! Machine gun. Best weapon. Reload. Handgun.
Oh man, they're back!
Over here. Hurry!
What are those things?
Just take these for now.
Who are you?
I'll explain later. Let's get out of here. I'm Captain Rush from the Joint Intelligence Division. I'm investigating the weapons trafficking, just like you guys.
Freeze!
They're here too? Bad, I need an escape route to the helicopter.
Take a left at the next corner.
Roger. The creature that just attacked you is a biological weapon developed by our military, codenamed Terror Bite.
Take a left at the next corner.
Looks like they've already got their hands on a few specimens. No matter what happens, we've got to stop the next train.
Machine gun. Shotgun. Grenade. Handgun.
Right now, our top priority is getting out of here. Beth, where do we go from here?
Keep going straight.
Nice shooting!
Enemies coming from the front. Go around and approach them from the back. Now,
Action!
Continue.
Back on your feet. Don't give up. Above! They're coming from above! Noise. Terabytes! Incoming! Use the shotgun on that type of enemy!
Machine gun. Shotgun. Best weapon.
Good, it's working. Okay, keep it up. Incoming! Yeah, we did it! Don't let up!
the enemy is gathering just ahead of you.
I'm gonna use a grenade.
Grenade.
Get down.
Handgun.
Okay, take them all down with one blast. Action!
The shortest route will take you through the office in front of you. Can you unlock it?
It's going to take 30 seconds to open.
Cover Captain Rush while he's unlocking the door.
Action!
I'll display the barricade's damage meter on the screen. Switch to the right screen. Enemies coming from the left. Enemies are approaching again from the right. Enemies are approaching again from the left. Enemies are approaching again from the right. Nice.
Almost.
Switch screens and find the enemy. The barricade is taking damage.
No sign of the enemy. That sound!
Terabytes incoming.
Handgun.
Action! Use the machine gun against that type of enemy.
Machine
Coming
gun.
in from
Best
every
weapon.
direction. Shoot! Take them all down! Here, use this. Take my extra ammo. Here, use this. Take my extra ammo. Here, use this. Let's get out of here before more of them show
Shotgun.
up.
Go down the stairs.
Oh yeah, I forgot to introduce you. She's First Lieutenant Conway.
Hi, I'm Elizabeth Conway. I'll be assisting you from the Air Surveillance Center.
She uses a wide range of high-tech equipment to guide and support us.
In the event of an emergency, this aircraft is capable of coordinating and commanding all of the armed forces.
High-tech reinforced armor. Action! Use the machine gun. gets close.
Handgun. Machine gun.
Terrorists doing with equipment like
Shotgun.
this.
Grenade. Continue.
Please, get up!
Handgun. Machine gun. Best weapon. Grenade. Handgun.
If you go through the maintenance room in front of you, the helicopter should be just up ahead. Enemies approaching from all directions.
I'll go get the helicopter. You guys hold off the enemy.
Action! Machine gun. Shotgun. Machine gun.
I made it to the chopper. I'm starting the engine.
Enemies coming from the front.
Mission failed.
We're getting close to the trade site.
That truck, right?
You're not getting away. Action! Just hold down the trigger and keep firing! Take down the anti-aircraft vehicle and follow that truck. Use the weapons on the helicopter to destroy the enemy vehicle.
The enemies become even stronger. The truck is still on the left. Pursue and secure the truck.
Gotcha. Just hold down the trigger and keep firing!
Enemies approaching at high speed.
Gotcha.
Continue.
What are terrorists doing? Back on your feet! Don't give up!
According to these analysis results, their military strength is equivalent to one company of the U.S. military. That's impossible! Anti-aircraft vehicles are gathered.
Just hold down the trigger and keep firing!
Enemies at 11 o'clock.
Gotcha.
Enemies at 9 o'clock. Incoming missile.
Take care of the missiles!
The target made a left turn 3 blocks ahead. An enemy helicopter is approaching.
Hang on! What's the truck's...
Game over.